good.
Bigger.
Right, right here. We've discovered... Don't film me yet.
There's plenty more idiots.
We've discovered one of the other creatures. Right? We've
Be
discovered...
careful, it might be dangerous.
We've discovered the Dowser Bird. You see, common in its common in his common in these cases. The creature is extremely Australia. The creature is extremely dangerous in the mind, especially to himself. You see, this constant laughing, it's not doing this man any good, right? He's just laughing around, rolling around in his own filth, and it's frankly, it's fucking disgusting, yeah? It's fucking vile. There are outbursts of laughing. We're up to God knows how long, as you can see right here. This sorry fucking individual thinks that he's got blood coming out of his ears. As you can see from the characteristics of its nature and behaviour, it's extremely deprived mentally. It has no form of education. We can only discover that it is frozen and now has been regenerated. Here on the other hand, we have a slightly more silent one, but still totally fucking vulgar. This is the most vulgar thing you can ever imagine. Oh no! That's nice! Alright, that's it, that's another vomit. It's cool. It's cool.